Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. From this video onwards, we are going to start a new series in Java 8 that is for Stream APIs. And this is widely used concept. And if you are in Java, technology working for any project, either it's an enterprise project or you're working any, uh, you know, some small startup or you are a student, this concept you should know if you really want to excel in this Java programming, because that's from there everyone like expecting that if you're in Java language, that means you should know how things works in Java 8. Like every single concept Java 8 tremendously changes yourself in your interview process. Okay, so Stream API. So Stream API is again, it was introduced in Java 8 and it's one of the powerful mechanism to process collections. So that means if you're working with Stream API, you should know what is collection. If you don't know what is collection framework and how it works, please let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely create a separate series after this Java 8 thing, that what is collection, how to process, and what kind of collections we have. Okay, so once you have collection, you want to process them. So the efficient and powerful way is use streams. So what is stream? Stream is a sequence of object that can be processed in parallelly or a sequential way. So yeah, if you want to achieve it, through a multi threading way, so that's also possible through streams. And plus, it also gives you a feature where we say you want to add some filters, like you want to transform your object through any kind of mechanism. So you can also go for the streams. Now we have some headlines here which says stream operations are lazy, they can be processed in parallel, and they are chainable and provide a functional approach to processing data. That functional means like what we have covered in previous videos, function interfaces and lambda expressions. So that's right, we can also use that. Okay, so these are some points about Stream APIs. So if I have to write in my own words, so I'll say if you want to process object from the collection, use Stream API. Okay, that's the typo there. It's use. So I'll fix it in after this. But yeah, in simple words, if you want to process objects, elements of your collection, go for Stream. And there are lots of useful methods which I will cover in next videos. So you guys will see that it's really efficient, and that's in one line code you can do lots of amazing stuffs. So we will write some actually not some, lots of codes using Stream API to make this concept much more clear. So stay tuned guys, let's meet in next video. Bye bye.